Your Excellency, on behalf of His Majesty King Abdullah II and the people of Jordan, we are honored to welcome you to Jordanian airspace, and it's a great honor to escort your flight this evening. Wishing you a pleasant stay and a safe landing. Ramadan Mubarak, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lion flight, Indonesia 1.
This is President Prabowo Subianto of Indonesia. I would like to thank you and your flight for receiving me, for escorting me, and please pass on to your commanding officer and His Majesty how pleased I am to be back here in Amman in Jordan. Thank you very much. Lion Flight, this is Indonesia 1. Once again, Ramadan Mubarak. Wish you all the best in this holy month. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.